Hey guys, me Lucas McCarran, or I just should say from now on, hey guys, it's me. I say that every time. But here is my perfect air right there. 8,000 BTU indoor air conditioning in the stall of 2023. We got a new tape thing here because it looked ugly in the window when we had this duct tape, or it wasn't, when you put it in, you didn't really think of it, But these days I'm not going to turn it on or anything, because it's not that warm outside. Here's let me just go through toward the buttons here. Again, I did it last year, but whatever. Fan mode, energy saver, timer, sleep check filter. Auto, low, mid, high, auto, cool, dry fan. These are the fan speeds and these are the modes. Follow me, I don't know what that means. But these are the position of the airflow. And there's two of these because it's perfect air. And there's the outside of the unit. Something all over there. And you just see it in the corner over there. And right there. There's not much to see though. I'm gonna go to the air conditioner now. Here's the one right here. Cooling dehumidifier. This could be a dehumidifier too. Fan only, alarm, high, mid, low. Fan speeds, modes, and alarm for it. I don't know why it would have that, but whatever. My grandmother's here. There's her car right there. I might be useless on YouTube, but whatever. I still have 29 subscribers, so if you guys think I'm useless, I don't care. Now my friend said I only have 29 subscribers. I'm done. Where do we get more? See, there's it again. I'm going to go downstairs now. To the laundry tank here.
Hello, Lucas.
Hi.
How are you doing, dear?
Good. I'm just going out for a minute. Going out for a minute?
Watch the bugs.
Yeah, well.
I'll choose the bits.
First of all, see through the perfect door here. There it is. I used to have another one in the last window over there. It was called Dandy. But then we had to give it to my uncle and aunt because they needed it for us. That's when I was in 2020, and we still had that air conditioner up there. And in 2018, we used to have a Frigidaire. Place it with the perfect. The ear didn't get taken away though. Anyways, we go over here. What's gonna have to see over there? I can't really see if you guys can see what that is. Yeah, it's kind of small. Have a angle of the perfect there. It is. What you do out my haircut? It's looking nice. I can't flip the camera like I can on YouTube because I'm on my regular camera, but I can post this on YouTube if I want to. on 3D angles. I think that was 5 minutes now. 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Well, now it's 30 seconds. Okay, don't want to put the yellow in this. Here's the last vlog. Perfect there in his last angle. Yeah, that's okay. We'll repeat it again once we get in. Perfect there once again. We'll see this the last. There's the inside. The fan motor in there. You may be able to see the compressor GMCC. Yeah. There it is. And yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, like, and comment if you have anything to stay over the summer. Bye.